That was fast. Get the net. I need a net. I need a net.
Serious?
Serious. Look.
Where's the net at?
Right in here.
Does this work?
Yeah. Holes in there. We'll get it in a minute. Hold on. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Let's get the net. Alright, look at that.
Jeez.
Get it. Huh?
Alright, it works. Better put together.
Here we go. Welcome, folks. This is Bill Hamilton, BHF Custom Baits. We're here on the Potomac River on December 18th. Just happened to be a warm day. It's kind of windy, but we're gonna catch some bass today. Maybe even some crappie. So this is start right here, number one, first cast. We're gonna see how this works out. Y'all stay tuned. Oh, man, we got a big one. I got a real big one. Look at it, sir. Look. Yeah. He's real big. Well, he was. Oh. Yeah, on this side, they can just pick it out and pull. Oh. Uh-oh. 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 Dude, you see the size of that fish?
Yeah.
Hold on. He ain't up here yet. Don't swipe at it. Wait. He's so big. Oh. Don't swipe at him.
Oh my God.
Calm down. Hold on. Don't calm down. I got him. He ain't going nowhere.
Jesus.
Don't swipe at him. Just wait till he comes up. Now get him.
Oh my God.
There you go, folks. Need I say any more? December 18th. So, like I said, my name's Bill Hamilton. I am the designer and maker of BHF Custom Baits, one of the #1 baits on Potomac River. And I'm out here. All this is going to be brought to you by Dennison Landscaping, BHF Custom Baits, and of course, one of the #1 rods out there, Cajun Custom Rods. So, y'all keep, y'all looking at this today. You see what's getting ready to happen. Get it?
Yeah.
Oh man, where's my phone? I don't know. It don't matter. How about that, Steven? know, he came up and bit that bait so easy. I paused that thing and all I felt was I just felt something. I'm lucky I got a real sensitive rod, because if this rod wasn't so sensitive, I probably wouldn't have felt that bite. Because he didn't run with it, he didn't move. He just came up and grabbed it, and I could feel that. This time of year, when you working that jerk bait, you don't have to work it hard. You don't have to work it hard. Work it slow. There you go. Just like that. Oh, here goes another big one. Look. Look.
You net?
Nah, I don't know. He's fighting like he's 10 pounds. Look at it. It's a good one. It's definitely a good one. December 18th, I'll take it. It's definitely a good one. Pause it. Make sure you pause it now. Oh yeah. That's another good one. He ate it too, boy. Look at that. Need some pliers for this. Nice little fish. That weigh you 10 pounds. Watch how I work this rod. You see all I'm doing? Look, you see I'm barely moving it. Then I wind it a little bit, pause. Wind it a little bit, pause. This time of year, they're not looking for it fast. They're not looking for a lot of aggressive jerks. The more wounded you can make that fish look like it's barely getting around, the better off you are, because, you know, they're not looking for something running fast, they're not looking for something, you know, with a whole lot of speed to it, because they don't want to use a lot of energy.
Yeah.
Because they don't want to use a lot of energy, they want something nice and slow that they can just come up, grab onto and eat. Got him? Good one? Huh? You need a net?
I don't know. Nah.
There you go.
Nice.
A big one? Oh, if we got a big bass on, get him in the boat. Come on up here. Felt like it? Oh, it might be. Oh, don't hog him. Don't hog him. Tommy. Know what I mean by that? Click your reel. Click your bail. Let it run. Yeah. Almost lost him. Bring him right to the net.
Man.
That's a pretty nice bass.
You
Got him?
Try to get back on.
Oh, I get it. You got him in a sweet spot. He wouldn't get nowhere. That's a hard spot. The rest of it. Ooh. There you go. Bring him on up here. Bring him on up here. Show everybody. So, just so y'all know, I'm out here with Steve Watson, also known as Chief, crabbing man. But he likes to fish too, obviously. And I got a fish on. Oh, Right off. So anyway, you see, it's a nice day out here. It's not perfect, but guess what? It's December 18th, and we're able to fish. So take every advantage of it. It's like 50-some degrees right now. Thursday and Friday, Saturday, you couldn't even stay out here for 5 minutes. You'd be frozen. Oh, easy. Take it easy, take it easy. Do not rush them. If you hog them, you lose them. You know what I'm saying? Hog them, you lose them. Don't hog them, please. That's how you do it, right there.
All I'm doing is throwing right close to shore and just reeling it down real slow.
Like I told you to.
Yeah.
Bring him on up here and show everybody.
Yeah.
Folks at home want to see what you're catching now. Man.
Right now, whip again.
Easy.
Turn the camera to me. Oh man. Oh my.
Yeah, he's just fighting like he did. Keep on. All that is expert guidance.
Oh yeah. I'm doing the belly.
Huh? Get him?
Yeah, I got him.
Wow, right here. Probably better over the fire.
I get him unhooked from the nest first.
Catch all you want, but you ain't beating that big one. You might.
I know
Keep on like that.
they're pretty good size.
Got that one? Is it a good one?
This big ass bass. Big ass bass.
Like them spros?
I gotta take a picture. This one.
Hold on a minute, I'll take a picture. You got it?
Yeah,
You ready?
That's some pliers real quick.
Yeah. Yeah. Come on up there and show the folks at home what you got, man. Hold it up a little bit higher. There you go. Here you go. Where's the iPhone? Come on. Yeah, let me take another picture for you.
Alright. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Got another big one?
Oh my god.
Don't leave the thing in the net. Come on up here. Come on up here.
Come on.
Work way up here. Easy. Bring him on up in the net. Oh, easy. There you go. Bring him up in the net. He's the biggest bass yet.
Yeah.
There you go. Turn around here. There you go. I don't know if you want a picture of that, do you?
Hey, we can take pictures.
You want to take a picture of that one? Really? That
Thanks.
little teeny thing?
Might be a little bit bigger than yours.
What? Oh, I got that. I don't know about that.
Hang on. Pop
Give
over.
me the camera.
Got so much fish fly on my hand.
Alright. Hold that one up for me, young man. Zoom in a little bit. There you go. Take that. Oh, show the camera.
Another nice one.
Yep. Another nice one. Boy, getting them on the back of that boat now. Big one. Stay down. Go slow, I'll wind them. Good one. Definitely good one. I mean, this is dominant. Look, took the bail and then surge. Look, just let it spool off. A lot of times you only got them by, see that little teeny hook in them? A lot of times that's all you got. Little teeny hook in them. So you gotta throw them sometimes, man. I got it. Pliers. I think I got him out. Got him out. Another good looking Potomac River bass. Great looking fish on December 18th. That's for sure. Well, I gotta be tied. Always check your line when you're fishing like this, because to me, I'm using light line. I'm only using a 10-pound test. So, always got to check for abrasion. You want to have your heart broke? Don't check your line for abrasions and hook a big one. That's Heartbreak City right there. Break y'all. Y'all disappointed. Lip poked out. Like I say, once again, I like to thank Dennis Landscaping. They're one of my best sponsors, my biggest sponsor. and they're one of the best landscaping companies this side of the Mississippi. If you're looking for anything to do with any type of landscaping, please call Dennis Landscaping. Tell them Bill sent you. Of course, my company, BHF Custom Baits, the top winningest lure on the Potomac River right now. I got the best colors, the most natural looking colors, and they just flat out catch fish all the time. And then Cajun custom rods. Best rods you're ever going to get your hands on. Deep water. These are the ones you just got to get the bite. You just have to catch a couple of those. And they're feeding. Oh, he got hung up. Oh my God, it's hung up. Oh, no, he's hung up. He got me hung up. No. God. Dude, you know how big that fish was?
Yeah.
That was just what I was talking about, right there. Oh my God. Get ready to go. I'm gonna run up to the airport. Look at that. That thing's recording the whole time. The whole time it wasn't recording.